Good morning, boys and girls. Happy Tuesday. Today is Tuesday, April 14th, 2020. And just like we talked about yesterday, this week our focus sound for our spelling words, those special words that we're working on, is that long O sound. Now remember, whenever we have a long vowel, it says its name. So when you hear long O, if you say a word and you hear in your ear the O sound, you know that that's a long vowel. Now, I have seen some great work from your Journeys book yesterday that you guys did, and I'm so proud of how neat you're writing, and I want you to keep it up because I know that you guys are neat writers. So today you're going to do, in your Journeys book, again, the Reader's Notebook, Volume 2, you are going to complete pages 3, 4, and 5. So on page 3, you're going to see a picture and you're going to see some letters. So I'll zoom in real quick. Here's what the picture is. You can see the arrow where it's pointing. So this is what it looks like underneath there. There's a P, then a space, then an L, and then another space. You need to fill in these missing letters using that vowel that you hear. So I know, because I'm a super smart first grader, that that arrow was pointing to the flagpole, the pole. So pole starts with P, P, O, O. I hear that O. O, L. Now, what do you think could go here? What do you think goes on the end? What do we always need at the end of a word that has a long vowel? You don't hear it, but you need that silent E. So my word is pole. So there are 6 of those activities on this page for you to do using those special spelling words that we talked about yesterday. And then on page 4 in your Journeys notebook, you are going to sort our spelling words, whether or not they have a silent E that we just talked about on the end, or if they're just one of those easy words like, I will go to the store. If they just have an O, they'll go in the column that says ends with O. But if they have a silent E like this word pole, they'll go in the column that says ends with silent E. I think you'll be very good at sorting those words. Now your final page for today is page number 5. On page number 5, it talks about questions. Talks about what are questions. Now we know when we write a question, we have to put one of these at the end, right? What is that? Is that a period? Nope. Is that an excited mark? Nope. What is it? It's a question mark. So when you see on page 5, it's going to say circle each of those sentences that's a question. So when you see a question mark, that's your first clue. Oh, it's probably a question because it has a question mark. But I want you to read out loud what your sentence says. And that will help you decide if it's a question or not also. And then down at the bottom, it says choose one of those questions from above and add your own details. So you could maybe say, let's say I pick number 1. What did you see? I could say, what did you see when you looked out your window on that rainy day? And that will be your question with details. So make sure you do pages 3, 4, and 5 today. And I will see you in a little bit for math. Bye.